how to order coffee in Russian language. Hey guys, I'm Kira and you are on the channel Russian with Kirusha. In this video, you will learn how to order coffee in Russian language. Let's start. If you want to say that you go to the place where you can buy coffee, you can say Я иду в кофейню. I go to the coffee shop. Coffee shop is кофейня in the Russian language. In Russian language, we say кофе. Yes, this word is the same as the word coffee in English. We don't change coffee. In all cases, it remains the same. So I'm going to the coffee shop to order an unusual coffee. Usually, coffee shops can offer you coffee, different types of coffee, and different types of desserts, for example, sweets or cakes and chocolate, and etc. These are some desserts I found in the coffee shop where I tasted an unusual coffee. These are croissants. In Russian language, the word croissant sounds like croissant. Apart of coffee, coffee shops usually offer matcha tea, чай matcha, black tea, черный чай, green tea, зеленый чай, juice, сок, cocktail. So, when going to the coffee shop, you can say Здравствуйте, добрый вечер, доброе утро, добрый день, etc. And then you can learn what this coffee shop offers. For example, some coffee shops, they offer just usual types of coffee, for example, cappuccino, espresso, latte, and etc. But some coffee shops, they offer very unusual, very exotic types of coffee. For example, latte with pumpkin. Yeah, interesting. Or coffee with ice cream. Yeah. A person who serves you in a coffee shop is called barista, and as you can see, this word is the same as the word in English language. And so, after learning the menu, you could say сделайте, пожалуйста, cappuccino, espresso, latte, and etc. And then you will be asked, вам на месте или с собой? Do you want to drink this coffee in the coffee shop or you have to buy it to go? You should answer the question с собой or на месте. When ordering a coffee, barista will ask you, would you like to add sugar, syrup or cinnamon to your coffee?
Добавлять ли сахар, сироп или корицу?
Usually I answer that I don't need any of these components because I don't like coffee with sugar, syrups and cinnamon. After ordering a coffee, a barista will ask you, will you pay in cash or by credit card?
In Russian language, it will sound like наличная карта.
So you should answer this question and, of course, pay.
Raffles usually made from cream, sugar, and espresso. They also added potato.
Raff is a type of coffee that appeared in the USSR in Moscow, and it is made from sugar, cream, espresso, and this coffee shop can make a rough coffee with potato chips.
I also ordered a dessert. As you can see, it's very yummy, and I do recommend you a potato wrap. It's very tasty. Look, there is potato there.
In some coffee shops, baristas say that they will bring your coffee and your dessert to you. So you should just sit and wait. Yeah. When it comes to drinking a coffee and eating a dessert in a coffee shop, when it's allowed. When it is a coffee shop, when you can make just coffee to go, so you should just stay and wait and then go outside. when a coffee shop allows people to stay and drink and eat inside, a barista will bring you fork to eat a dessert, or teaspoon, fork, вилка, teaspoon, чайная ложка.
I tasted this potato, and these are usual chips. So maybe it will be correct to say that this is a rough coffee with chips.
What is your favorite type of coffee? I like latte, mochaccino, cappuccino, and that's all. So write in the comments below. So when you are quitting the coffee shop, a barista will say «До свидания», goodbye, or «Хорошего дня», have a nice day. I think it's a part of a high quality service in coffee shops. So when a barista tells you that, it means that this coffee shop cares about its customers, because baristas in some coffee shops don't say that. They don't say have a nice day, they just say goodbye. But usually a cool barista says both goodbye, до свидания, and have a nice day, хорошего дня. If you like this type of video when I mix vlog and serious lesson, you can write it in the comments below, and I will understand that you like it. Thanks for watching.